This is the camera mount. It's mounted just behind the spindle by about 75mm. Inside here is a large spring with a couple of washers just to give it a nice bit of stiffness. Excuse me. Going back to the camera, or the camera end, the bracket is actually from an old webcam, and again I've done a spring arrangement to allow that to turn firmly but not loosely. On the actual block itself there are two more, oops, focus, focus is playing up. There are two more spring assemblies, one each side, which gives a bit of stiffness to the actual camera itself. In practice it doesn't move and there's no vibration. And if we look down from the top, I can move the camera from pretty much the 11 o'clock position all the way round to the 6:30 position. Whilst there's 3 axes on the camera mount, there is effectively a 4th one because the webcam itself is actually in a tubular mount which allows that to rotate, so I can pretty much get any angle without the camera getting into the work path.